Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into connecting your Flutter app to a Microsoft SQL Server database. This is a common task for many applications that need to store and retrieve data. We'll walk through a straightforward approach, focusing on building an API as a bridge between your Flutter app and the database. Let's get started. First, understand that directly connecting your Flutter app to SQL Server is generally not recommended for security reasons. Instead, we create a middleman. That middleman is an API. This API will handle requests from your Flutter app and securely interact with the SQL Server database. Think of it like a translator, securely converting and relaying messages. Next, we will build the API using a language like C# with ASP.NET Core. This is a popular and robust option. You'll need to create a new ASP.NET Core Web API project. Within this project, you'll define your data models. These models represent the structure of your data. For example, if you are storing user information, you might have a model with properties like ID, name, and email. After defining your models, you'll need to configure a connection to your SQL Server database. This typically involves providing the server name, database name, and credentials. You can store these sensitive details in a secure configuration file. Now, it's time to create API endpoints. These endpoints are the URLs that your Flutter app will use to send requests. For example, you might have an endpoint to get all users, create a new user, or update an existing user. Each endpoint should handle the request, interact with the database using Entity Framework Core or Dapper, and return a response to the Flutter app. Entity Framework Core is an ORM, simplifying database interactions. Ensure your API methods are asynchronous to prevent blocking the server. Make sure your API includes error handling to gracefully manage issues such as database connection problems or invalid data. Consider using middleware for logging and authentication to further improve the security and maintainability of your API. Finally, in your Flutter app, you'll use the HTTP package to make requests to your API endpoints. The HTTP package allows your Flutter app to send HTTP requests, such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. You will need to define the URLs of your API endpoints in your Flutter app. When you receive a response from the API, you'll need to parse the JSON data and display it in your app. Use Future Builder or Stream Builder to handle asynchronous data fetching. Don't forget to implement error handling in your Flutter app to provide a good user experience. You should handle network errors, parsing errors, and API errors gracefully. Remember to test your API and Flutter app thoroughly. Pay close attention to security concerns such as authentication and authorization. Also, think about performance and optimize your API for speed and efficiency. This architecture will allow you to build robust and scalable applications that leverage the power of SQL Server. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for connecting your Flutter app to MS SQL Server. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please consider liking it, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends. Every bit of support helps us create more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments what other Flutter or database topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Your feedback is invaluable.